With no silver bullet to knock out the coronavirus, President Trump is suggesting medical experts look into exposing the human body to light and heat as a possible treatment.
Supposing we hit the body with a tremendous, whether it's ultraviolet or just very powerful light. And then I said, supposing you brought the light inside the body, which you can do either through the skin or in some other way.
This is really new, folks. And I'm talking about, this panel that you see, the green one. This is the first of its kind. I was blessed to get the first panel here in the US. And this green light therapy, we call it the emerald laser, the emerald therapy, green light. It's a 525 nanometer. Its main focus, what that frequency of light does, is it cryogenically expels fat cell content. In other words, it's similar to what ketosis does through a nutritional protocol of managing carbs and fats and proteins. But this does it essentially just with light. It encourages and actually expands the fat cell, releasing its content, shrinking the cells. Now, by the way, we don't get a lot more fat cells. We just get them more engorged, right? When the body becomes bigger and bigger, this is a toxic burden. And so the body stores toxic burden in the fat. That's its storage vault. And the problem with that is that the body doesn't really have opportunity to release it. And the reason is because that particular energy source, which fat is, it's a great energy source, but it's never utilized because the body never gets down to that as an energy source. It's always using carbs, sugars, right? Glucose. It's always using that as an energy source because we continuously feed an abundance of that resource for the body. And it's going to take the path of least resistance for energy, which is the glycogen stores, that kind of thing. It's carbs. So if we want to get rid of things in that fat system, we need to do some sort of a fast or a detox or some of those programs. And maybe you all are familiar with those. There's many. This light actually encourages that without those other protocols. The side effect also, by the way, of the green light therapy is it tightens the skin. Oh my gosh, who would not like a little bit of that?